Hey, and welcome to the Old Git Does Stuff channel. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for bananas in caramel sauce. This is a really quick, easy caramel sauce to make. Just pour it over sliced bananas and you're away. This is so easy it's untrue. We have one banana cut in half. There's another one on another plate. This should make enough for 2 people here quite easily. We've got a very small 1/4 cup of sugar that we'll just sprinkle in the pan. To that we will add, looks like 1 and a bit, should be one dessert spoon of water. In fact, we may add a little bit more. Pan's on the medium heat. And we're just going to caramelise this sugar in. With our 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And it's just turning into a lovely caramel. And it is as quick as that. I came up with this when we had dinner guests and we're stretching the main meal out, so this is just something quick to make. And there we go, this is turning into just a lovely caramel sauce. This is such a quick and easy pudding to make when you have unexpected guests. And always do it in a non-stick pan. It makes cleaning up afterwards such a dream. It'll literally just wash out of here. And there we go. Lovely light caramel sauce. You can absolutely add butter in just before the cream. I find it makes it too rich for me. This is just meant to be a nice little light dish, and done. Bananas and caramel, as quick as that. Well, that's all from me. See ya.